Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to online classes of Knowledge City Islamic School. I hope you will be safe and sound at your homes. Today in reception 1 class we will do the activity book of English. So open your books with me. Today our letter is R. This is the letter R. Its sound is R. Its sound is R, or its sound is R. R. Its sound is R. R rattle, R rain, R ring. Its sound is R. R rattle, R rain, R ring. Now you have to write the letter R on your activity book by yourself, page number 93. Now students, come on page number 92. Now trace the letter R and match and the pictures. Now see, now you have to trace the letter R and you have to match the picture with start with letter R. This is rain. This is ring. Start with letter R. And this is rattle. Now you have to match the letter R with rain. Ring start with letter R. And rattle start with letter R. And this is cup. Cup does not start with letter R. Okay student, now come on page number 94. Now match and circle. Now see the picture in small box. This is letter R and you have to circle the letter R in big box. This is letter R, you have to circle it. This is letter R, you have to circle it. Now this is rattle. And you have to search out the rattle in big box and you have to circle it. Now this is the letter G. You have to circle the letter G in big box. This is letter G. And this is also letter G. You have to circle them. Now see the next question. Color and pictures that start with letter R. This is rain. This is book. This is ring. You have to color in those pictures which start with letter R. Rain start with letter R and ring start with letter R. And you have to color in those pictures. Okay student, now come on page number 95. Now on page number 95 we have an activity. Circle the letter R in these words. Now see, this is ring and we have letter R in it and you have to color it. Now this is balloon. We have no letter R in it. Now in next word we have letter R. We have to circle it. In this letter we don't have letter R, so we will not circle any other letter. Okay student, now you have to do it by yourself. You have to circle the letter R by yourself. Student, I hope you understand the lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.